Hey there, DIYers! Are you ready to transform your home with your own two hands? Today, we're diving into the exciting world of angle grinders. This powerful tool can seem intimidating at first, but trust me, once you master the basics, you'll be amazed by what you can create. We've got two incredible projects lined up, a sturdy firewood rack and a stylish industrial pipe table. So, grab your safety gear and let's get started. This is going to be fun. We'll guide you every step of the way. Get ready to unleash your inner craftsman and build something amazing. Are you excited? Let's do this! Our first project is a must-have for any fireplace owner, a heavy-duty firewood rack. This project will teach you how to cut and assemble metal like a pro. Get ready to impress your friends with this stylish and functional addition to your home. Before we begin, let's gather everything we need. For this project, you'll need an angle grinder, of course, metal cutting discs for your angle grinder, metal tubing, square or rectangular looks best, a tape measure, a marker, safety glasses, work gloves, hearing protection, a welding machine, optional but it makes things easier, metal brackets if not welding, and screws if using brackets. Remember, safety is paramount. Always wear your safety glasses, gloves, and hearing protection when operating an angle grinder. Now let's measure and cut the metal tubing for our firewood rack frame. We want a sturdy rack, so I recommend making the base about 3 feet long and 1 foot deep. The vertical supports should be around 3 feet tall. Use your tape measure and marker to mark the cuts on your metal tubing. When using the angle grinder, always make sure the metal is securely clamped down. This will prevent accidents and ensure clean, precise cuts. Take your time and let the grinder do the work. With our pieces cut, it's time to assemble the frame. If you have a welding machine and feel comfortable using it, you can weld the pieces together for a super strong bond. If not, no worries. We can use metal brackets and screws to secure the frame. Make sure the frame is square and all connections are tight. We want this firewood rack to last for years to come. Now for the fun part. Use a wire brush attachment on your angle grinder to clean up any rough edges on the metal. This will give it a smooth and polished look. Once that's done, you can paint the firewood rack with a heat-resistant paint to prevent rust and add a touch of style. Congratulations, you've just built your very own firewood rack. Place it near your fireplace and enjoy the warmth and satisfaction of a job well done. Ready for another challenge? Let's build an industrial pipe table. This project combines the raw beauty of metal pipes with the warmth of wood, creating a stunning statement piece for your home. Here's what you'll need for this project. An angle grinder, metal cutting discs for your angle grinder, metal pipes, various lengths and diameters, pipe fittings, elbows, T's, flanges, a wooden tabletop, choose your desired size and wood type, a tape measure, a marker, safety glasses, work gloves, hearing protection, and wood stain or sealant, optional. Remember, safety always comes first. Wear your safety glasses, gloves, and hearing protection when using the angle grinder. Before we start building, let's plan out the design of our table base. Do you want a simple rectangular base or something more intricate? Once you have a design in mind, use your tape measure and marker to mark the pipes for cutting. When cutting the pipes, make sure they are securely clamped down. Use the angle grinder to make clean, straight cuts. Remember to take your time and let the grinder do the work. Now it's time to assemble the pipe base using the pipe fittings. This is like building with a giant erector set. Screw the pipes into the fittings, making sure all connections are tight. You can adjust the height and width of the table base by using different lengths of pipe. Get creative and have fun with it. With the pipe base complete, it's time to attach the wooden tabletop. You can either screw the tabletop directly to the pipe flanges, or use construction adhesive for a more invisible connection. If desired, you can sand and stain or seal the wooden tabletop to protect it and enhance its natural beauty. And there you have it, a stunning industrial pipe table that's sure to be the envy of all your friends. Section 4. Mastering the angle grinder tips from the pros. The angle grinder is a versatile tool with endless possibilities. Here are a few pro tips to help you get the most out of it. First, choose the right disc. Angle grinders can be fitted with various discs for different materials and tasks. Make sure you're using the correct disc for the job at hand. Second, control your speed. Angle grinders operate at high speeds. Start slowly and gradually increase the speed as needed. Avoid applying too much pressure, as this can cause the grinder to kick back. Third, keep it steady. Always use 2 hands when operating an angle grinder and maintain a firm grip. This will help you make precise cuts and prevent accidents. And finally, respect the sparks. Angle grinders generate sparks, so it's important to work in a well-ventilated area and keep flammable materials away from your work area. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to mastering the angle grinder and tackling even more ambitious DIY projects. Section 5, Safety First, DIY Always. Before we wrap up, let's reiterate the importance of safety when using power tools like angle grinders. Always wear your safety glasses, gloves, and hearing protection. Make sure your work area is well lit and free of clutter. And remember, if you're ever unsure about something, it's always best to err on the side of caution and consult with a professional. Your safety is paramount. By following these safety precautions, you can enjoy your DIY projects with peace of mind. Section 6. Finishing touches, making your creation shine. Once you've completed your projects, take some time to add those finishing touches that will make them truly stand out. Sand down any rough edges, apply a fresh coat of paint or stain, and consider adding decorative elements like stencils or hardware. These small details can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of your creations. Don't be afraid to get creative and let your personality shine through. Gap 3S. Section 7, more DIY project ideas. Now that you've mastered using an angle grinder, let's explore some additional DIY projects you can tackle. How about creating a custom metal wall art piece? Use your angle grinder to cut intricate designs into metal sheets and then paint or finish them to match your home decor. Or consider building a unique industrial-style coffee table using reclaimed wood and metal pipes. The angle grinder will help you cut and shape the materials to perfection. Another exciting project is crafting your own garden sculptures. Whether it's a whimsical figure or an abstract piece, your angle grinder can help you shape and smooth out the metal parts. You can also try your hand at making personalized metal signs. Cut out letters or shapes from metal sheets and then mount them on wood or directly onto your walls. For those who love practical projects, build your own set of metal shelves or a sturdy workbench. These functional pieces will not only serve a purpose but also add a touch of industrial charm to your space. With these ideas, the possibilities are endless. So grab your angle grinder and start creating. Remember, the key to successful DIY projects is patience and creativity. Don't rush the process and always take the time to plan your designs. Happy crafting. Section 7. Conclusion, share your DIY triumphs. Congratulations, DIY enthusiasts. You've learned how to build 2 amazing projects using an angle grinder. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use this versatile tool, the more confident you'll become. So go forth and create something amazing. And don't forget to share your creations with us. We love seeing what our fellow DIYers are building. Tag us on social media or send us pictures of your finished projects. Happy crafting!